My research is actually about how the people detect the emotional phases, and we are especially interested in to know what kind of attention allocation strategy they use. Because when we are seeing a face, we need to cast our attention onto the face, especially in some incompleted phases, which part of the face are covered. So consequently, they might use a different strategy to detect this kind of face than the normal face we see every day. Consequently, we want to know what kind of the eye movements they made in this kind of the face perception. Because we want to know the attention and the eye movements is always a very good index to show what kind of the attention strategy they're using, which specific parts they're looking at, and the patterns they used in this kind of detection. So consequently, by using the eye track device, we can make sure first they are really looking at what they want to look at. And second, we can get to know what kind of the strategy they are using, like duration, location, and amplitude, velocity, a lot of information we can get from the data. So consequently, we can conclude for detecting certain kind of face, they might use a certain kind of the strategy, and it will show a certain kind of the eye movements pattern.
Okay.
Generally speaking, we are more interested in the psychophysics, so their responses and reaction time. So we compare some of their behavior results with the eye tracking device, so we synchronize their data together. So we can see that by using certain strategies in the attention allocation, it could strongly facilitate their detection. So it's like behavior is real-world stuff, explicitly we can detect easily, and eye movements is something implicit and we cannot detect easily. Consequently, it's like building the bridge between what we can see and what we thought behind the behavior. Well, we want to know more about like the different groups of the people, like cultural difference, or maybe the ASD group. They might have some difficulties in recognizing the facial emotions. So if we understand them in a better way, we can help them in a better way as well.
Thank you.